So I'll be getting a lot of questions like these, and I can try to explain you in the most simplest way that I can. So a lot of people will be asking me how to start investing in the stock market, and this is what I'm doing videos for, because investing in the stock market is something that school don't teach us, something that we parents didn't teach us, our environment didn't teach us or talk to us about it. So this is why I'm doing the videos for, to teach you how to invest in the stock market. So before I explain you how to invest, I would like to explain you what it's about, what the stock market about. So when you invest in the stock market, you invest in stocks and an ETF. So a stock is a company. So let me see Amazon, Netflix, Apple, Tesla, those type of companies. So when you invest in a company, you buy shares of a company. So when the company goes up, your money goes up. And when you invest in an ETF is a basket of hundreds of companies. So instead you invest in one company, you can invest in hundreds of companies at once. It's less riskier and it'll take a little more while to invest in one company, but it's less riskier, and you know for sure if you invest in the right ETF, your money will for sure go up. And when you invest in for the long term. So when you choose an ETF or a stock, you gotta ask yourself if this stock or this ETF will still be here in the next 5 to 10 to 20 years. You invest in for the long term. You invest in for like today, tomorrow. That's what you call trading. You invest in for the next 20 years, so you gotta choose a stock or ETF that you know will be here in the next 10 to 20 years. Now I'll explain you how to invest. So to start to invest, you gotta open a brokerage account. So a brokerage account is an account that would give you access to the stock market. The one that I use is an online bank account. So you can send me a message, I will send you the link. I would get 3% for 3 months. So once you invest your money, getting 3% for 3 months of your money. So it's a bonus that I will be getting if I use my link to sign up on your brokerage account. And opening a brokerage account is not hard. If you could open an Instagram account or a TikTok account, you could open a brokerage account. So it's just like you opening a Revolut account or a Nickel account. It's the same process. You have to fill in your information, your address, your name, etc. Then they will send you a code, a verification code, saying that your account have been approved. Then once your account has been approved, you have to fund your account. So you have to deposit money on your account. You could deposit as little as €1. And it's an online bank account. So you have a RIB, you have an IBAN, you can do Venmo instantaneous. It's just like a Revolut or a Nickel card account. You could even order the card, the credit card, so you could pay Apple Pay, you could pay online, you could tap with a card, etc. Now, once you have deposit money on your account, you have to choose the ETF and the stocks that you're willing to invest in. So let me say you want to invest in Apple and Netflix and Amazon. You have to deposit the money. You have to buy shares of them. So let me say you deposit €10. You spend that €10 over the stocks that you want to buy. Now, once you have bought the ETF and the stocks that you want to buy, this is which part the hardest part of coming. The consistency. Not because you buy them this month, that means everything is over. No, you have to stay consistent every month. Try to invest in them. Let me say every first of the month you invest, how much you gotta invest in them, and stay consistent every month. And what others do to advance the process is whenever the market goes down, others invest more again. So let me say every first of the month I invest in, let me say €50. During the month, if the market go down, let me say 2%, if my ETF or my stocks them go down 2%, I would invest an next €10 to €20 in them. So when the market goes back up, I know my money doubling. So I'm just trying to advance the process. And it's easy as that, but that's the hardest part, is staying consistency and motivated and trusting the process. If you don't trust the process, then you will not get through. And for those who want to have the same portfolio as mine, so our portfolio is where you have all the stocks and ETF that you bought. If somebody want to have the same portfolio as mine, you can send me a message. I can send you a link for my private Telegram group chat. It's for every month. Right now my portfolio is 10%. It's up 10%. So I start off in October, and just between a little time my portfolio don't grow over 10. Well, don't grow as 10%. If you want to have a portfolio, if you want the same stocks and ETF that I choose, you can join my private Telegram group chat. You have people who will be talking about trading, about investing, about making money, and how it's going. So if you want to be a part of it, you can send me a message. I'll send you a link for the private group chat. You have to pay, and every month it's €5. And if you're planning to sign up for a brokerage account and you think you would have any problems, or if you're having any problems to open a brokerage account, you can send me a message and I will help you with everything that you need help with and explain everything that you need help with.